everybody! Welcome to Toys Cast. My name is Candy and she is my sister Mandy. We just love cookies. It is so tasty. Hey Mandy, listen, I got this flip and frost cookies play-doh. Would you like to make cookies with me? Yeah, it would be so much fun. Hey Diana, will you help me?
Sure, Candy Mandy. You both are so cute. I would love to make flip and frost cookies with you. I just love cookies. And we can make different kind of cookies with this Play-Doh set. It includes realistic looking frosting and it has got Play-Doh Plus. It's really soft and it smells so good. We can make different cookies like this. Look at this one. The picture itself makes me so hungry. Let's open up the box and start making cookies. Hey Candy Mandy, everything is out of the box now. We get 3 sets of Play-Doh, white, green and brown. And the white one is the Play-Doh Plus. We got 2 cookies, half molds, 1 plate. This is our cookie shelf. And this is the frosting. We can put Play-Doh inside and make delicious cookies frosting. Let's use our cookie mold first. Now let's start making cookies. I'm gonna use cookie half mold for that and you just need to attach it like this. Let's use brown Play-Doh. We're gonna put some over here like this. We're gonna put few on the mold like this. Now you just need to press it together like this. You just need to flip it like this. Let's take out our cookie. Wow, look at the cookie. It's looking so beautiful. Wow, this cookie is looking so beautiful. We can see Play-Doh logo in the middle. Let's keep it here. Now I'm going to fill the extruder with the Play-Doh Plus. Now let's put the frosting. Wow, it's looking amazing. Now it's time to make our frosting cookie. Close it like this. Here's the frosting inside our cookie. It's looking like an Oreo, isn't it? Now let's make green cookie. Now let's decorate our cookie. On our cookie shelf, we got different kind of molds to make different shapes like butterfly, gingerbread man, flowers, butterflies and many more. Let's start making, kids. Gingerbread man. Wow, my cookie sandwich with lots of froth is ready. Hey Candy Mandy, how are the cookies?
Wow, these cookies are looking so yummy. Can I eat this one?
No Mandy, you cannot eat it. It's made from Play-Doh.
But it is looking so yummy. Hey Mandy, we can make these cookies. It's so yummy. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Do mention which one is your favorite cookie. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to watch more Play-Doh fun. Bye.